An emergency has been declared for this area. For emergency details, please tune to channel.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Southern Cook County in Northeast Illinois, Will County in Northeast Illinois, until 4 o'clock p.m. At 3:19 p.m., a train spotter reported a tornado just in Bolingbrook, and radar indicated rotation near Machina, moving east at 50 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Country Club Hills, Hazel Crest, Flossmoor, and Markham by 3:30 p.m. Thornton, Homewood, South Holland, and Glenwood by 3:35 p.m. Lansing and Calumet City by 3:40 p.m. Take cover now. If no basement is available, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning previously issued for this area. The National Weather Service in Chicago